glue gels. Okay, I got it. I must put my, okay. So what we're gonna do is really thin coat, really thick density. So you want just a thin, smaller portions of your condensed glue gels, and make sure you are going to place the cap back on. So it's really pan, you can do it like right in between, or it's like untie the nails. You can see that how it's really good and thick condensed is. It is okay, and just blend it out. And if you need more, you can add a little bit more, but however, you don't want to do too much. Too much is going to flood your crystal, and too little is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So we're going to do second step by using our no wipe top coat, floating it on the top. Okay, and then we're gonna do one of this design. I'm gonna move this one. It's so beautiful. We're gonna add, I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, I like them all. So let's do this one start first. Number 1, and place that. To frame it from the kits as well. If you get the neon kits, crystal kits, and also the glow in the darks, is also have the frames already in there for you. So that's everything you need in that beautiful kit. So I'm gonna add is another frame, which is the round shape, and the SS10, and it's also in that glow in the dark kits or neon kits. It had mixed colors in the different sizes, like from size SS16, SS10, SS12, SS8, SS6. Okay, so you can add more as you wish. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and also gonna add the I like to add some beads on it. So if you don't want any beads, absolutely can get away with no beads. But if you want to add something on it, I mean beads or frame, absolutely you can. Okay, so my beads is right here. I'm gonna just grab my beads here. Instead of getting on the tray, I have that on the tray as well. And where is the best place to add the beads? Just place them right between your beads, or between yours, I mean between your crystal and between yours crystal and frame, or between your frame and frame. You will never go wrong with the beads. Okay, so then you can do and adjust it however you like. And it's the best thing about condensed glue gel no wipe top coat is not going to set until you are going to cure. So you have all the time in the world to adjusting it. If you need like the beads to be moving on the right or on the left, you have all those time to do that before it's going to get clear under LED light. Happy with this? We're going to cure for 60 seconds.